What's up, everybody? The weekend's almost here and we're back again with another video. Cue the music. Huh? We're back. Oh, hey. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
It's a catchy tune.
It is.
All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do a quick modification inside of our master bedroom, and Kim's going to tell you how we're going to do it.
That's right. When we first got the RV, it came with a queen size bed with 2 nightstands. We opted to get the king size bed. Well, when that happened, the 2 nightstands had to come out. David's figured out a way to use another device that will actually hold our cell phones while they're charging instead of putting them on the floor or leaving them on the bed.
That's right. So we're going to go do that. So come check it out. Okay, we're here inside the master bedroom. And what I have is actually a remote control holder that I purchased from Camping World. And I'll put a link in the description below on where you can purchase it yourself. So I have a remote control holder here. I'm going to connect it to the wall with this backing here. So what I've done so far is I've measured 29.5 inches from the floor to make it nice and even with my handy dandy level here. Let's double check it to make sure it's nice and level. And it is. So what I'll do now is I'll take the sticky backing off. And it's just 3 pieces. Now I'll line it up with my line that's already level. Move it forward. Double check it with the level. And it's very nice and level. Press it in. And there we have it. I have my cord here already connected to my cell phone. Set it inside, and there you go. You have a place to charge your cell phone while you're sleeping or at any time during the middle of the day. So what I'll do next is I'll do the same thing on the other side of the bed so that Kim has one also. So now that that's done, we're going to move into the living room and finish this up. See you there. Okay, that concludes this video on how to do a quick modification inside of your master bedroom.
That's right. If you have an RV that does not have nightstands and you're looking for a place to hold your cell phone while it's charging, this is a great idea.
All right. And as usual, we hope you hit the thumbs up button and like this video. Also, we hope that you subscribe. And on that note, we're going to say goodbye and hope that you have a wonderful weekend. See you later.
Bye.
Okay, that concludes this quick video on how to do a quick modification on Done.